Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video we're going to be talking about a Dynamo script I developed to save time on repetitive tasks. This script will assign and model pipe insulation on the piping system that we choose with the insulation thickness based on regulations. Here we have two different piping systems. Blue pipes belong to the SP piping system, while the red pipes belong to the SF piping system. As you can see, we have a SP pipe attached to a SF pipe just to prove that the script will ignore any other system but the chosen one. Now let's open an elevation so we can get a better view of the script working. Let's go to Dynamo and we can see a first set of values named RITE values table divided in diameters values and piping insulation thickness. The second set of values contains the name of the piping system and the insulation type. What we will do here is to get all the insulation types and then choose the one we want based on its index. The next step is to filter the pipes from the model based on the piping system to then get their diameters. We will need to make these values into numbers for the next step. So now the list of numbers will be matched with the values from the first set of values by intersection and replaced by condition. This will be the value itself, the condition will be the value itself, and the replacement will be the insulation thickness. Once all the diameters are replaced, and thanks to some map over packages nodes, we can assign insulation type and thickness to the filter list of pipes. This node is set on feet, so we need to add some factor to get the result in millimeters for Revit if we're working on a metric environment. Now we do the same with pipe fittings. The problem with them is that when they are connecting two sections with different diameters, they have two different nominal diameters. So it is mandatory to filter twice, then join the list without losing their original index number. As we get the join list, we will find some empty values that we need to filter out by getting the values to a string and then after that cleaning that list. There is another way to get this result using a code block replacing elements of the list at the proper index. However, I feel more intuitive just to work with Dynamo built-in nodes. So after we get all these values, we can just repeat the process followed with the pipes, but now working with pipe fittings. So let's minimize Dynamo, hit run, and let's see the result. As you can see, now we have all the pipes from the system with piping insulation, and the thickness that we have matches the values from the table that we have in Dynamo based on regulations.